Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best orange lingerie dress on the market. The Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear Boudoir Outfit, available in plus sizes ranging from XS to 5XL. This piece blends elegance with comfort, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to add a sexy yet sophisticated item to their wardrobe. The Avidlove lingerie dress is crafted from elastic lace mesh material, ensuring it is soft and breathable against the skin without any irritation. Its floral lace cups are beautifully designed, featuring a delicate bow that adds a charming touch to the overall look. Adjustable shoulder straps allow for a customizable fit, enhancing comfort and support. One of the key features of this lingerie dress is its flowing asymmetrical hem, which gives it a playful, flirty vibe. The matching sheer G-string completes the ensemble, creating a cohesive and alluring outfit. This set is perfect for special occasions like weddings, honeymoons, or even maternity wear. Thanks to its thoughtful open front styling that comfortably accommodates a growing belly without any binding. The wireless lace cup design combines both comfort and style, providing gentle support while showcasing the intricate lace detail. The Avidlove Babydoll is not only sexy and seductive but also elegant, designed to make the wearer feel confident and irresistible. Caring for this lingerie is straightforward. It can be hand-washed or machine-washed with a lingerie bag at a maximum of 40 degrees Celsius. To maintain its quality, it is recommended to hang it to dry and iron with a press cloth if necessary. Overall, the Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear is a versatile and flattering lingerie piece that works well for a variety of body types and occasions. Whether you're looking to surprise your partner or simply treat yourself to something special, this lingerie dress offers a perfect combination of style, comfort, and sensual appeal. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights.